welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we're dedicated to helping you achieve financial success. In today's video, we'll share practical and actionable tips on how to save your hard-earned money. By implementing these strategies, you'll be on your way to building a strong financial foundation. Let's get started. Number 1. Create a budget. The first step to saving money is creating a budget. Track your income and expenses, and allocate a specific amount for saving each month. Be realistic and identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses. By knowing where your money goes, you can make conscious decisions and prioritize your savings. Number 2. Automate your savings. Make saving effortless by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to a dedicated savings account. Treat savings as a fixed expense and prioritize it. This way, you won't be tempted to spend the money before saving it. Over time, your savings will grow consistently without requiring constant effort. Number 3. Cut down on discretionary expenses. Examine your discretionary expenses, such as dining out, entertainment, and impulse purchases. Identify areas where you can reduce or eliminate spending. Consider packing lunch instead of eating out, enjoying free activities like hiking or reading, and practicing mindful spending. These small changes can make a significant impact on your savings. Number 4. Shop smart and compare prices. Before making a purchase, do your research. Compare prices across different stores or online platforms to ensure you're getting the best deal. Take advantage of coupons, discounts, and loyalty programs. Delaying gratification by waiting for sales or promotions can lead to substantial savings over time. Number 5. Track and minimize monthly subscriptions. Review your monthly subscriptions and identify those that are no longer essential or don't bring significant value to your life. Cancel unused or duplicate subscriptions to save money each month. Additionally, negotiate with service providers to lower your bills or switch to more affordable alternatives. Number 6. Save on utilities. Be mindful of your energy consumption to reduce utility bills. Turn off lights when not in use, unplug electronics, and adjust your thermostat for energy efficiency. Consider installing energy-saving appliances and LED light bulbs. These simple habits can lead to substantial savings on your monthly bills. Number 7. Prioritize debt repayment. If you have outstanding debts, make it a priority to pay them off. High-interest debts, such as credit card balances, can drain your finances. Allocate a portion of your budget towards debt repayment and consider consolidating your debts or negotiating lower interest rates. Once you're debt-free, you can redirect those funds towards savings. Number 8. Build an emergency fund. Having an emergency fund is crucial for financial stability. Set aside a portion of your savings specifically for emergencies. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund will provide a safety net during unexpected situations, preventing you from going into debt or depleting your savings. Number 9. Practice mindful spending. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it aligns with your financial goals and values. Avoid impulsive buying and give yourself time to consider whether the purchase is necessary. Differentiate between needs and wants. By adopting a mindful spending mindset, you'll make more conscious decisions and save money in the long run. Number 10. Invest in yourself. Invest in personal and professional development to enhance your earning potential. Acquire new skills, pursue higher education or certifications, and stay updated with industry trends. By continually investing in yourself, you can open doors to better job opportunities and increased income, leading to greater financial stability and more significant savings. Number 11. Prioritize quality over quantity. When making purchases, consider the long-term value of the item rather than just the initial cost. Invest in high-quality products that are built to last, even if they have a higher price tag. This approach will save you money in the long run by avoiding frequent replacements. Conclusion: saving money is a powerful tool for achieving financial stability and reaching your goals. By implementing these money-saving tips, you'll develop good financial habits, reduce unnecessary expenses, and make the most of your income. Remember, saving is a journey, so be patient and stay committed to your financial goals. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and insights on personal finance.